Could the United States, a nation long celebrated for its unity and strength, one day splinter into separate independent states? While the idea might sound like something out of science fiction, history teaches us that political, economic, and cultural divides can push even the most stable nations toward fragmentation. From economic powerhouses with ambitions of autonomy to culturally distinct regions seeking greater self-rule, several states have drawn attention for their potential to break away. Today on Globe Discoveries, we're counting down the 10 states that could possibly separate from the U.S. in the future. Stay with us to learn which state has already laid the groundwork for independence and why it might actually succeed. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more engaging content like this. Number 10. California. California, the Golden State, often feels like a nation within a nation. With the world's fifth largest economy and a GDP surpassing $4 trillion in 2025, it possesses both financial power and political influence to stand alone. Supporters of the Calixid movement argue that California's progressive policies often clash with federal positions, especially on issues such as immigration and climate change. Public opinion on independence has fluctuated but remains surprisingly high. A 2024 survey by the Public Policy Institute of California found that 32% of respondents favored secession, up from 25% a decade earlier. Advocates believe California's technological dominance and agricultural strength could sustain an independent republic. However, critics highlight the state's vulnerabilities. California depends heavily on imported water, struggles with an ongoing housing crisis, and faces frequent wildfires and climate-related challenges. Economists warn that breaking away could disrupt trade relationships and federal funding for essential services. The cultural divide between California and more conservative states continues to widen, but whether secession ever becomes a reality remains uncertain. For now, California remains firmly part of the Union, but the idea of breaking away is far from a fleeting fantasy. Number 9. Texas. Texas, the Lone Star State, has never fully shed its independent spirit. After all, it was a republic from 1836 to 1845 before joining the Union. In recent years, the idea of Texit has gained traction, with some legislators proposing referendums to let voters decide. Economically, Texas is formidable. With a GDP of $2.5 trillion in 2025, the state leads the nation in oil and natural gas production. Proponents argue that this energy wealth could provide a strong foundation for independence. Political motivations also play a role, as many Texans feel disconnected from federal policies concerning gun rights, immigration, and land management. A University of Texas poll in early 2025 revealed that 35% of residents supported independence. Still, major obstacles exist. Texas receives billions annually in federal aid, particularly for health care and disaster relief, and disentangling from U.S. military infrastructure would present massive challenges. Yet, with slogans like, "Don't mess with Texas," evolving into calls for Texas first, the debate over Texit remains alive and contentious. Number 8. Hawaii. Hawaii, the Pacific Island paradise, has long nurtured an undercurrent of independent sentiment. The Hawaiian sovereignty movement, pushing for a return to native governance since the island's controversial annexation in 1898, has gained new traction among younger generations. Hawaii's geographic isolation, more than 2,000 miles from the mainland, already makes it feel distinct. Its economy, supported by tourism, agriculture, and military contracts, generates substantial revenue. Legal disputes over land rights and historical grievances further fuel the movement. A 2025 University of Hawaii survey showed that 28% of residents supported either full independence or greater autonomy. However, challenges remain steep. Hawaii depends heavily on imported goods, especially fuel and food, making self-sufficiency difficult. Losing Hawaii would also significantly impact U.S. military strategy in the Pacific. Nevertheless, the cultural resurgence of native Hawaiian traditions strengthens the movement. Calls for independence are likely to grow louder, even if the path to sovereignty remains uphill. Number 7. Alaska. Alaska, known as the last frontier, has always stood apart, geographically, culturally, and economically. The Alaska Independence Party, founded in 1984, has long advocated for a referendum on secession. Once dismissed as fringe, the movement has recently gained renewed interest. Alaska's vast natural resources, oil reserves, fisheries, and mineral wealth make it a compelling candidate for independence. In 2025, its GDP reached $80 billion, largely from resource extraction. Anchorage, in fact, sits closer to Tokyo than to Washington, D.C., reinforcing the state's sense of isolation. Many residents feel federal decision-making, especially on environmental regulations, fails to represent them. Still, critics note Alaska's challenges. Its small population and harsh climate make self-sufficiency difficult, and federal funds support critical infrastructure such as the Alaska Permanent Fund and military installations. Strategically, Alaska plays a vital role in national defense. Despite these barriers, the spirit of independence remains deeply embedded in Alaskan identity. The dream of an Alaskan republic refuses to fade. Number 6. Vermont. Vermont, small yet politically distinct, has also entertained the idea of secession. The Vermont Republic movement draws inspiration from the state's brief history as an independent republic between 1777 and 1791. Advocates argue that the federal government has grown too large and unresponsive. Economically, Vermont relies on small-scale agriculture and tourism, which serve as both strengths and weaknesses. In 2025, its GDP stood at $37 billion, supported by industries such as craft brewing and organic farming. Proponents believe Vermont's community-oriented culture could sustain independence. The state's progressive politics also fuel the discussion, as Vermont often clashes with federal stances on healthcare, environmental policy, and military spending. A 2024 Castleton University poll showed that 21% of residents supported secession. However, independence would be complicated by Vermont's reliance on federal funding for healthcare and infrastructure, as well as its landlocked location. For now, Vermont remains a quirky yet loyal part of the Union, though secessionist conversations still echo in town halls and coffee shops. Number 5. Florida. Florida may seem like an unlikely candidate for independence, but its rapid demographic and economic growth has prompted speculation. With a GDP exceeding $1.6 trillion in 2025 and a booming tourism industry, Florida has the resources to stand on its own. The state's diverse population brings mixed views. Long-term residents often express dissatisfaction with federal policies on taxation and immigration, while newer arrivals from northern states tend to favor unity. A 2025 Florida Atlantic University survey revealed that 26% supported independence. Geographically, Florida's strategic location strengthens its case. Its long coastline and major ports could make it a trade powerhouse in the Caribbean and Latin America. The state also benefits from strong governance and infrastructure. Yet, the challenges are serious. Florida is highly vulnerable to hurricanes and depends heavily on federal disaster relief. Its large retiree population also relies on programs like Social Security and Medicare. These realities make the independence debate far more complex. While unlikely in the near term, talk of Florida's independence often resurfaces during election cycles, reflecting broader national divides. Number 4. Oregon. Oregon, known for its lush landscapes, progressive politics, and unique cultural character, has occasionally entertained the idea of greater autonomy, or even independence. With a population of just over 4.2 million in 2023, the state often finds itself at odds with federal policies. Economically, Oregon performs well. Its GDP, approximately $261 billion in 2023, is supported by industries such as real estate, manufacturing, and healthcare. However, income inequality remains a pressing issue. Reports in 2024 showed that 30% of households in Portland were cost-burdened, meaning they spent more than 30% of their income on housing. Politically, Oregon operates under a Democratic trifecta, controlling the governorship, Secretary of State, and Attorney General's office, reflecting its left-leaning electorate. Yet, deep divides exist between urban centers and rural areas. Public safety is another concern. Portland, in particular, struggles with higher-than-average property crime rates, adding another layer to the debate over governance. While a full bid for independence remains unlikely, Oregon's internal divisions continue to fuel discussions about autonomy and alternative governance. Number 3. New Hampshire. New Hampshire, proudly known for its "Live Free or Die" motto, has long championed limited government and individual freedoms. Groups such as the New Hampshire Liberty Alliance have floated secessionist proposals over the years, pointing to federal overreach as their main concern. Economically, New Hampshire is relatively self-sufficient. Its GDP reached $96 billion in 2025, supported by a strong manufacturing base and a low unemployment rate. Advocates argue that with its proximity to Canada and emphasis on self-reliance, the state could manage independence. Cultural attitudes reinforce this mindset. Many residents see Washington, D.C., as disconnected from their values. A 2024 University of New Hampshire poll revealed that 29% of respondents favored exploring independence. However, the hurdles are significant. The state depends on federal funding for healthcare and education, and its small population raises doubts about long-term viability. Still, New Hampshire's libertarian streak ensures that secessionist conversations will continue, even if they never move beyond theory. Number 2. Colorado. Colorado may come as a surprise on this list, but its shifting political and economic landscape has fueled secessionist sentiments. Known for its booming tech industry, outdoor recreation, and legal cannabis sector, Colorado's GDP surpassed $460 billion in 2025. The independence debate here often stems from rural frustration. Many residents of northern and eastern counties feel overshadowed by urban centers like Denver and Boulder. In 2024, several northern counties even attempted to revive the North Colorado statehood movement, citing state and federal policies they felt ignored rural interests. Economically, Colorado could theoretically sustain itself. Its cannabis industry, renewable energy production, and thriving tourism generate billions each year. However, breaking away would mean losing federal support for infrastructure, national parks, and military installations, resources that are deeply tied to the state's identity and economy. Public opinion also remains divided. A 2025 poll showed only 24% of Coloradans supported independence, suggesting that while frustration exists, full secession remains more of a talking point than a likely outcome. Number 1. New York. New York, the Empire State, might seem like an improbable candidate for secession, but the idea has been gaining attention. With a GDP of $2.1 trillion in 2025 and global influence through Wall Street, New York wields enormous economic power. Most discussions of independence center on the divide between New York City and upstate regions. Supporters of a split argue that the city dominates state politics and resources, leaving rural communities underrepresented. A 2025 Siena College poll revealed that 30% of upstate residents supported exploring separation. Economically, an independent New York City could thrive. It remains a global financial hub and a magnet for international tourism. Upstate regions, meanwhile, believe independence would allow them greater control over tax revenues and policies. Still, the barriers are immense. Legal, financial, and logistical complications loom large, from federal aid to trade agreements. The cultural and economic divide between New York City and upstate only intensifies the debate, making it a recurring issue in political discussions. Conclusion: for centuries, the United States has prided itself on unity. Yet, growing political, economic, and cultural divides raise questions about the future. While some states have the resources, history, and public sentiment to entertain the idea of independence, the challenges, logistical, legal, and economic, remain daunting. Do you think any of these states could realistically break away from the Union? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fascinating stories from 10 Globe Trips.